guys, welcome to Week Chem 1. It's time to start a new chapter. This is the solid state. In this chapter, first we start with what is the meaning of the solid. Solid are substances which have definite volume and definite shape. Solid substance, it has definite volume and definite shape. For example, this marker, it has a definite shape which is a cylindrical. So we can say that it is the solid. Then solid have a different types of property. It's depend on three factors. First factor is the arrangement of constituent particles. In constituent particle consists of atom, ion or molecule. Second, nature of constituent particle. And third, type of force which held on constituent particle. These three factors depend on the properties of the solid. In this solid is the rigid and liquid and gas are the fluid. Because of the liquid and gas are fluid. Because of in this marker, when we apply the force on this marker, it doesn't change its shape. Because of it is a rigid. But this same force applied on the liquid bottle, so its changes is different. Because of in the presence of the fluidity. In the solid is the rigidity present and liquid or gas fluidity is present. This is general characteristic of the solids. Matter can exist in three main states: solid, liquid and gas. First solid, second liquid and third gas. But in advanced study we know that is the 5 state: solid, liquid, gas, fourth is plasma and fifth is Bose-Einstein state. But in this chapter we also learn about the only solid. Why solid, liquid, gas are different to each other? Because of its stability depend on two factors. First factor is the intermolecular forces and second is thermal energy. Intermolecular forces means it keeps closer to constituent particle. For example, it's keep closer. Then thermal energy means it keeps apart the particle and move faster. For example, in the thermal energy, particle are keeps apart. So we can say that the intermolecular forces and thermal energy are the opposing forces. Because of in intermolecular forces, all particles are closer, and thermal energy, particles are far away. One example, in the temperature down, temperature decreases, thermal energy related to temperature. When temperature decrease, thermal energy also decrease. And thermal energy and intermolecular forces are opposing. So thermal energy decrease, that way intermolecular forces are increase. When intermolecular force increase, means all particles are closer. So that way we can say that in the solid, all particles are closer to each other. Then liquid and gas, solid, all particles closer because of the intermolecular forces are more than the liquid. This is the liquid and this is the gas. So intermolecular forces are more in solid and intermolecular force are less in the gases. Then predominant factor for the intermolecular forces and thermal energy. On the basis of the thermal energy increases. Means thermal energy predominance factor comes to solid to liquid to gas, and intermolecular forces gases to liquid to solid. So more intermolecular forces it acts as a solid, and less intermolecular forces it acts as a gas. We discuss on the intermolecular forces and thermal energy. Third point is the density. Density rho is equal to m by v. M is mass and v volume. When mass constant, volume increase, density decrease. Volume decrease, density increase. So in this solid, all particles are closer than the liquid. Closer means volume decrease. Volume decrease, density increase. In the gas, volume increase, density decrease. So we can say that in the solid, density is more greater than the liquid and gases. Then fourth is solid has rigid material. Because of the intermolecular forces are more, so it not move to freely. So this is the rigid. Solid has a rigid material. Fifth is the heating effect. When we heat solid, means solid converted into liquid. This process is known as the melting. Solid converted into liquid, it's known as the melting. And which point solid converted into liquid, it's known as the melting point. In this solid, intermolecular forces are more, so we apply to more energy to solid converted into liquid. So higher melting point in the solid than the gases and liquid. Heating effect, melting point high. This is the properties of the solid. Thank you. Kindly give me answer of this question in comment section.